రా ఇప్పుడు వస్తుందా వీడియో? మాట వినిపిస్తుందా ఇప్పుడు? ఓకే.
నా మాట వినిపిస్తుందా? హలో,
వైఫై డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయింది ఇందాక మొబైల్కి.
ఆడియో ఆఫ్ చేసుకున్నా ఏంది? హలో, వచ్చి చాట్ చూస్తున్నారు.
ఎరా
వచ్చి చాటేనా? డౌట్లు చాట్ లో చెప్పాలా? చెప్పచ్చు.
అరే ఈ మాట నాకు వినిపిదురా. సరే వదిలే ఇంకా.
అంటే ఇందాకలా క్వశ్చన్ డౌట్ అడిగింది. 37th క్వశ్చన్.
చూసుకుంటా క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకుంటా సరే ఏమన్నా మిస్ అయి ఉంటే. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ second, third and fourth terms in the expansion of a plus x whole power n are 240, 720, 1080. Find a xn. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చేసాం గుర్తుందరా? Second, third and fourth terms in the expansion of a plus x whole power n are 240, 720, 1080. So t1, sorry, second term kada, t2 is equal to 240. So what is t2 here? t1 plus 1, which is equal to nc1 into a power n minus 1 into x power 1. So which is equal to 240. గుర్తుందా క్వశ్చన్? ఇది చేసాం ఆల్రెడీ. t3 which is t2 plus 1, okay, which will be nc2 into a power n minus 2 into x square. Next, t4 which is equal to 720, okay, t4 t3 plus 1 which will be nc3 into a power n minus 3 into x cube will be equal to 1080. Okay, so these are the three equations. First, second, third equations. Now 2 by 1. 2 by 1. NC2 into a power n minus 2 into x square by NC1 into a power n minus 1 into x power 1 is equal to 720 by 240. RHS is 3. Now NC2. First, ఇది cancel అవుతుంది. Okay, x by a will be left. Now NC2, n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial by NC1, n factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial cancel into x by a is equal to 3. Okay. Now n minus 1 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 1 by 2. 2 factorial is 2, right? Into x by a is equal to 3. Now expand n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, that is the expansion, whole upon n minus 2 factorial into 1 by 2 kada, 3 into 2 6 into x by a is equal to 6. So n minus 1 into x by a is equal to 6. Okay, doubt undulo. Next 3 by 2. 3 by 2 NC3 by NC2 into a power n minus 3 into x cube by a power n minus 2 into x square is equal to 1080 by 720. NC3 n factorial by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial whole upon n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 whole factorial. Three by 2. వచ్చింది కదండి. ఎక్కుతుందిగా ఎక్కుతుంది. Okay, all right. Now n minus 2 whole factorial into 2 factorial 2 by n minus 3 whole factorial. Confusion. X by a is equal to 3 by 2. Next, expand n minus 2 whole factorial because this is the bigger one. So n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial whole upon n minus 3 factorial into 2 by 6 into x by a is equal to 3 by 2. Cancel. So 2 1s are 2 3s are n minus 2 into x by a is equal to 9 by 2. Now fourth, fifth, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 will give you n minus 1 into x by a by n minus 2 into x by a is equal to 6 by 3 by 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are 4. So n minus 1 by n minus 2 is equal to 4. N minus 1 is equal to 4n minus 8. 3n is equal to 7. Calculation పోయింది. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. సార్ రికార్డ్ అవుతుందా? అరే 6 by 9 by 2. సిక్స్ బై 9 by 2 కరెక్ట్. సో n minus 1 by 3 2s are 3 3s are ఇది 4 by 3. n minus 1 by n minus 2 is equal to 4 by 3. So 3n minus 3 is equal to 4n minus 8. n is equal to 5. Now you got the value of n. ఇంకేం కనుక్కోవాలి? x and a also we have to find. అంతేనా? So you have to find a and x values also. How to find a and x? Now that you got the value of n, see, put in equation 1. If you put in equation 1, 5c1 into a power 5 minus 1 into x is equal to 240. Okay, so 5 into a power 4 into x is equal to 240. 5 ones are 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40. Okay, so a power 4 into x is equal to 48. Now put in equation 4. Put in equation 4. So n minus 1, 5 minus 1 into x by a is equal to 6. So 4 into x by a is equal to 6 by 4. Sorry, 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So x by a is equal to 3 by 2. Now here you got a power 4 into x is equal to 48. Now from here find the value of x. X is equal to 3a by 2. Then this scale, if you put this here, then you will get a power 4 into x means 3a by 2 is equal to 48. So 3 ones are 3 16s are. A power 5 is equal to 32. So a is equal to 2. Now that you got the value of a, you can find the value of x also. So 2 power 4 into x is equal to 48. 2 power 4 16, 3 are. So x is equal to 3. That is the question. డౌట్ ఉందా ఇందులో? Any doubts in this question? Okay, next question. If the coefficients of r plus 1th and r plus 2nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are in AP, then show that. Question number 40. TR, which is in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, 1 plus x whole power n. So TR will be TR minus 1 plus 1. So NCR minus 1 into x power r minus 1. Okay. So that is TR. Next TR plus 1 will be TR plus TR plus 1. So it won't change. NCR into x power r. Next TR plus 2, which will be TR plus 1 plus 1, which will be NCR plus 1 into x power r plus 1. Now the question is 40 kada? If the coefficients are in AP, okay, coefficients are in AP. Coefficients are in AP. So 2 into NCR should be equal to NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus 1. Okay. So 2 into NCR should be equal to NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus 1. 2B is equal to A plus C. A, B, C are in AP. So 2 into B is equal to A plus C. Now this will not be N plus 1 C R plus 1. So that property is only when the coefficients are consecutive, not every time. See, NCR plus NCR plus 1 will be N plus 1 CR plus 1. No doubt in this. But NCR not every time. Yeah, that property is not every time. Okay. So don't get confused with that. Now it remains like that only. It won't change. Now, so 2 into NCR n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial is equal to n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus of r minus 1. So n minus r plus 1 factorial plus NCR plus 1. NCR plus 1 n factorial by r plus 1 factorial into, okay, n minus r minus 1 factorial. Now n factorial gets cancelled. Now starting with expansion, observe the denominators once observe the denominators. So r minus 1 and r plus 1, which of them is bigger? R plus 1 is bigger, so we have to expand that, and also the second biggest term. We have to expand the biggest term and the second biggest term, because the smallest is r minus 1 factorial. So by expanding, we have to bring that term. Okay. Now see, 1 by r factorial, r into r minus 1 factorial, and then tell me which of them is bigger, n minus r plus 1 and n minus r minus 1. Obviously n minus r plus 1 is bigger. What is the second biggest? N minus r factorial. So we have to expand that also. N minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial is equal to 1 by c. No need to expand this. R minus 1 factorial